Welcome viewers to TV Box Top, the channel for the best reviews in TV boxes, mini PCs and accessories. Today I have a gaming monitor from the makers of InnoView. This is the InnoView 24 inches 100Hz HD 1080p gaming monitor. This monitor is ultra thin and for just $120 it has widescreen HDR display with FreeSync mode. So up next, I'll do a simple review on how to assemble it, its exterior features, I'll run through its on-screen display menu, and I'll do a live demonstration to test its HDR display and its refresh rate during high graphics gaming. So that's up next, stay tuned. Welcome back. So the box contains the monitor itself, a support column with tilt adjustment, a metal Y-shaped support base, one HDMI cable, a 12 volts to amp power adapter, a pack with a screwdriver and a screw, a warranty card, and a user manual. For I/O ports, it has one HDMI input, one VGA input, a headphone jack, and its DC input. To the opposite side, for manual controls, you have power, menu, up and down, and exit buttons. It also has a downwards facing LED power light. To assemble the monitor is quick and easy. First, snap the tilt column into the allocated slot until you hear a click. There is also a button to easily release it. Then, using the included screwdriver and screw, attach the metal base. And that's it, you are done. For exterior features, there isn't much, as this is more or less a stationary projector with only a 5 degrees downward tilt and 20 degrees upwards. It does not have a swivel, height adjustment or screen rotation to portrait mode. Its actual display size is 24 inches diagonally with a 1 cm bezel to the top and sides and a 1/4 inch bezel at the bottom. As you can see, its colors really pop, as it has 16.7 million RGB 8-bit color gamut, a contrast ratio of 4000 to 1 typical, and a brightness of 250 candela square meter. It has a pair of internal speakers, and you can also use a headphone. However, its internal speakers are not very loud. So here I have it connected to a Windows PC, and in the display settings, it shows that it has a maximum display resolution of 1920 by 1080p, it has HDR display, and a maximum refresh rate of 100Hz. To access its on-screen display menu to adjust its settings, simply press the menu button to bring it up, then use the up and down arrows to navigate, and the menu button as the enter function. And to exit the menu, either leave it idle for the on-screen duration to time out or press the exit button. In this menu, you have brightness and contrast settings, color settings, audio settings, other settings. This is where you can find the HDR display settings, and an input source selector. So for a color gamut demonstration, I will play a 4K HDR AV1 video consisting of rich colors. So the display on this monitor is outstanding with rich colors in HDR. Also, from a 45 degrees angle, you can still see a very clear picture. And for a final demonstration and to test its refresh rate, I will play a high graphics Windows game with its refresh rate set to 100Hz.
Get their attention.
In summary, if you are looking to replace those old outdated dinosaur flat screen monitors with a high quality ultra-thin inexpensive HDR model, then this monitor is definitely a great option. So if you are interested, you can get it directly from the Amazon InnoView store with a $10 discount coupon, reducing the price to just $109.99. See the link in the description below this video. So give this video the thumbs up to support this channel. Special thanks goes out to InnoView for sending this model for review. If this is the first time you're viewing one of my videos, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notifications bell before leaving to keep in the loop as to when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, stay tuned and see you in the next one.